ready, please.
Actually, we get confused. We don't want to be mixed two activity at a time.
Yeah.
This, we are talking about depressurization. During the depressurization, is there any misdirected flow? That's one. Subject finish closed.
Yeah. So can we
Vessel
go back to the sheet?
for
Go
the
back to the
vessel
sheet.
entry, entirely different. There is a separate procedure. Job safety analysis, confined space certificate should be initiated, and then inspection procedure is there, and letter is there. So we'll follow.
Let's go back to the sheet. Go back to the sheet, and let's put.
We don't want to be mixed vessel entry here.
There, misdirected flow. There you go. During depressurization. Right. Okay. Right. That captures the. That's the scenario. Yeah.
So
and then we're not confusing.
Other bullet line, or we can tank bullet tank. Not during depressurization. Right?
During manual depressurization.
And during manual.
Okay.
That's right.
Right. And consequence is, well, what is it? You'd potentially.
No. First, here the cause is possible. The consequence is what? Process.
That's what we're just trying. So that's what we're just trying to work out. So bottom line is, you're depressurizing one to flare, ready for maintenance, and then somehow incorrectly inadvertently opened the double block and bleed, or the double blocks on the same line to another vessel that's in operation. That's a kind of scenario. What would happen? Well, essentially,
Scott, I mean, my understanding, commercial and Scott, correct me, when you are planning to depressurize one bullet, and the same time other bullets are under operation, that means there is a liquid and valves are isolated.
Then this is the consequence. This is the thing.
There is a possible to misdirect flow. Actually, what happened? We are depressurizing, right? Is there any of the valve is open? So the flow will go there or not? Sure, there will be a flow.
Yeah,
if I open the valve, instead of depressurizing the maintenance bullet, I'm depressurizing other bullet.
Other.
Yes.
So
yes.
In this case, we have to capture
flow.
Here. Yeah, that's the misdirected flow.
That's the misdirected flow. Is normally the valves that would be open is literally the route would be lined up to the flare for that one bullet you're working on. If, for example, another bullet is somehow inadvertently open, that's quite a few valves, I think, to open. That's a kind of a misdirected flow. Bottom line is, at the end of the day, the safeguards are there are a number of valves and procedures that would prevent this from happening. But the consequence is that we would essentially, like Kamal said, and like I've been trying to say, we would start to depressurize from a bullet that is lined up in normal operation.
Okay. So now my understanding is.
I think maybe I can understand. Maybe you're getting confused because we should be looking at the cause within the node we are looking at. Yeah. Which I can understand that we should be looking at the cause.
I mean, Sylvester, as we discussed in the beginning.
Let me finish.
Unfortunately, I don't think the node's properly marked.